So by tapping on this play button, you'll be able to change your scene's view and go to layers tab, and here you'll find all of your SketchUp project layers. So here's how to easily install the Google SketchUp app on your mobile. And the Google SketchUp app is available for both Android and iPhone. So go to your App Store or Play Store and simply here search for SketchUp, and here you will find this SketchUp Viewer app. So all you have to need, go ahead and install this Google SketchUp app from your App Store or from your Play Store. And here you can see the app name is SketchUp Viewer. So once it's successfully installed on your mobile device, just launch the SketchUp app. And now we have to log into our account. So here just tap on sign in, or if you don't have any account, just click on create account. So in my case, I'm going to sign into my account now. And here you will directly jump into sign in page. All you have to need, enter here your SketchUp account username or email address, or you can use these three options to log into your SketchUp account. Or to create a brand new account, just click here. But I'm going to sign in with my Google account and selecting my Google account here. And then, as you can see, I've successfully logged into my Google SketchUp account, and now here you will find your dashboard with all of your SketchUp files. Now I'm going to opening this sample file, for example, and here as you can see the file successfully opened. And now let's play this file. So by tapping on this play button, you'll be able to change your scene's view and go to layers tab, and here you'll find all of your SketchUp project camera, and here you can change view and go to this home button, and you'll directly jump into SketchUp dashboard. So now you can easily use this SketchUp viewer from your mobile device.